Today is finally the first day of the year 2025 and I'm here for that. The first day of the year is always full of hopes for the future, full of course about self-growth, full of projects. But you know, the 2025 is just the Tobe continued of the 2024. So it's just up on you. If you would do the same shit you did the last year, everything will be the same. So it's just up on you. And I got that. I just can feel the magic in the air. Luckily, I will celebrate this new year with my family, my mother's family, and I'm so happy for that because now I don't live here anymore, and my cousins and my uncles, they used to live in Malta. They came back here, so I'm the only one who don't live here anymore. And after a long time, we celebrate something together like a true family. So at least one thing is good. By the way, I'm not the negative person, you know, not anymore. And of course, I did my vision board. I visualized my future, what I want to do this year, what I want to achieve this year, goals, my project. I can put mascara like this. Wait. I'm back. I'm a little bit late because I'm always the last member of the family who gets ready. It's always me and I'm always late. There's my mother out there and she's very angry, as always. But it's the 2025. Let's breathe. Let's breathe together. Let's breathe together. This is actually one of my favorite places in this world. I used to work there as a waitress, and you know, working as a waitress is very stressful, but having this view is a lot. It's a lot because just looking at the sea, you feel much better. So I always love to come back here. It's refreshing, you know. I study heels dance and I really break them a lot. During the Black Friday, I decided to invest in them because I always wanted to buy the red ones, but it's a very difficult color to match. The black one is easier to match with other colors, so I always prefer to buy the black ones. And you know, black is black, but I always wanted to buy the red ones too, and during the Black Friday I decided to buy both of them. Seriously, they're beautiful. They're beautiful. Today actually I didn't eat properly. I don't know why, but these days I'm very anxious. When I'm very anxious, I don't eat very well. Now it's midnight and I'm craving some food. It's tteokbokki. It's Korean food. And it's rice cake with black soybean sauce. Delicious. I love this one. Guys, I'm very excited today because after I think 5 or 6 years I will meet my old dance group. We are just 4 and we used to dance contemporary and ballet dance. Seriously, it's been a long time since the last time we met each other. 2 of them live here in my native city. I live in Rome and another one lives in France. We don't see each other every year, but every time we had a chance to meet, we are always there. We started this together, I think almost 10 years ago. Guys, time flies. Seriously, time flies. Ready to come back to Rome. I'm finally back in Rome. I just got home and guys, oh my god. I have a lot of things to do. I have to clean my room, do the laundry, buy some food because there's nothing. There's nothing inside my fridge. I feel dirty. After being at the airport, I always feel so dirty and I just want to take a shower. I'm so hungry. I need to sleep. I'm very nervous. Moreover, I feel a little bit overwhelmed because I really love to come back to my native city, but I love to live in Rome too. You know, this thing to live here, then come back there, then again here, again there, again here. It's a little bit frustrating. Yes, I'm happy because my heart is full, but it's a little bit overwhelming. If you say something like this to people, they're like, oh, but you live in another city, it's beautiful. And I love it too. I mean, I love it. But it's frustrating, really frustrating. And in this moment, I just want to sleep. Yay! Happy 2025 to everyone and to me.